Hello everyone, it's January 17th. I want to do January 17th. And I think I'm only going to do one for today for now. Because I spent most of the morning, actually spent most of the day getting stuck on a problem. So I was working with GPG, GNU PG, and I was trying to do some encryption locally and decrypt it on GitHub Actions. And the workflow used to work like about 6 months ago. I had the same code and it worked, and I used the same code today and it didn't work. And it took me a long time to figure out why. And the reason is just the reason is because I recently just installed GPG on my Mac. So I use brew install GNU PG and I installed the version 2.3.4. And GitHub Actions use the Ubuntu, the latest Ubuntu machine. And on the Ubuntu machine, the latest GPG, GNU PG is version 2.2.19, and the highest it can go to is 2.2.20. So that is the problem. So locally, I am encrypting with 2.3, basically, GNU PG 2.3, but I try to decrypt it with GNU PG 2.2. I knew about this like at the very beginning, I suspected it's because of the version, but I thought the version difference, like if there's a version difference, the problem should be like a 1 point something, 2 point something. That will cause a big issue because that's breaking change. A 2.2 and 2.3 difference, it should not be breaking change, right? It should be just you add a feature to your stuff. I did not expect it to not work. So when I see that difference, I didn't think about it. It's like there must be something else because I haven't used GitHub Actions for a while, and from my previous experience, there was always something wrong with my YAML file. So I spent like 5-6 hours on this, and just couldn't figure it out. I don't know why. And eventually, I went back to I exhausted all the other options, and the only option I haven't tried is to make the two versions match. And I tried to upgrade on Ubuntu, trying to get into 2.3, but I can't because the highest version on Linux it goes to 2.2. So the only option is to downgrade the GNU PG on Mac, which fortunately I can do. I can downgrade to 2.2.33. So now these two match. I mean the minor one match, right? And it worked just like before. So yeah, people ask why software engineering always you cannot meet a deadline. This is why you cannot meet a deadline because of these stupid issues. I mean, it's a stupid on me. Like I should have done that to begin with. And then lesson learned in the future, I'll try to match the version first. But most of the time, it's not the version issue. That's just the thing. It's very very rare. All right. Anyway, this is my rant. All right, to do today. So yeah, I'm only gonna do one because I was supposed to do this last night, but didn't have time. So I'm gonna do this tonight for tomorrow's challenge. So now is just for today's challenge. I'm just gonna go through it very quickly. All right, a word pattern. Yeah, I had in the past. Given a pattern, find if S follows the same pattern. Oh, there is a smart way to do it. I remember there is a smart way to do it, but I don't remember how to do it. Lowercase letters in this. S does not contain any leading or trailing spaces. All the words in S separated by a single space. So basically, we can split this, right? And then we can create an alphabet, right? And then we list this. Oh, we listed this and we split this, and then we zip it and we create an alphabet. A shall be this, right? B, if it's not in. Yeah, I think I know how to do this. But is this the smart way? Not sure. Could be. I feel pretty smart, I think. All right. All right. So all right, word pattern. So how do we start? We're gonna say for dict. I cannot dict. Just say D, right? And then for pattern, for P and word in zip, right? We're gonna go list pattern and s dot split, all right? And then we say if P not in D, dp equals W, else if P is not equal, no, else dp is not equal to W, return false and return true. All right, let's just test on here directly. Too lazy to copy and paste. Oh, I didn't use all the test cases. Okay, run code. Yep, that shall be it. Oh, how? Oh, it's a two-way street. It's a two-way street. Ah, my bad. All right, so it's a two-way street. So if P not in, yeah, I can't believe so. B pointed to dog as well, but then B cannot point to the dog. Yeah, so it's a two-way street. I mean, what we can do is we just set up a second one. We'll have a D1 and D2. Oh, that looks ugly as hell. All right, if P not in D, if W not in D, yeah, two-way street, dW equals P, right? And then afterwards, we say if this is not equal to this, or dW is not equal to P, then return false. Wow, can't believe it. And a big mistake. All right, try this. Got a wrong answer on an easy problem. That was so bad. That was so bad. What? Oh. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. My God. Trying to save. Wow. That was bad. That's even worse. That's even worse than last time. Ay, ay, ay. Terrible, 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 terrible. This one should be right. I was trying to avoid setting up two dictionaries. Yeah, I was trying to avoid setting up two dictionaries. Oh my God. How did I get past the first time? I mean, we can zip longest. Well, they have to be the same size. Hmm. Can we zip the longest? I don't know. If we zip the longest, then I think I have zip longest. I have this, right? Yeah, zip longest. Zip longest, one of them would be none, right? Actually, I don't know. I'm curious. From, I think, Zeta Tools, port zip longest. I was trying to not put this in, but I guess I have to. So many edge cases. Yeah, I think I'll just try to go too fast. Will be interesting. I want to see. P and W. What's P and what's W? None. Right? So, oh, that will be AA is not equal to none. So it shall be if not P or not W, turn false. It shouldn't wait. It should not wait, because if we don't do it, and if we say this is BB, yeah, it shall be false as well. I think I can finally at least get one. It shall fail the last one, yes. So that's true. It has to be here. And then, okay, this one shall be right. Try this. Unbelievable. Right? Unbelievable. It took so long. Such an easy question. But I do agree, there are a lot of edge cases. Such an easy problem, but I struggled mightily. The problem is with many test cases, many edge cases. All right, let's see. What did I do last time? Huh. Index pattern.index p shall equal to .index s. Oh, index. Let me think. So it's a pattern, right? Index return the first occurrence. Right, so the first occurrence. And if we have a mismatch, then its first occurrence. If we have a mismatch, this and this does not match, either the pattern. It's a pattern mismatch, right? So the pattern mismatch, either we have duplicates on the pattern itself. If we have duplicates on pattern itself, and then it will point into the first one, which is not. Yes. Ooh. I don't think I came up with this. How about this one? That's the other solution. That's the solution I have, I think, initially. Dictionary, I think I realized I have to do 2. I did realize this, but I didn't realize today. And today the method is slightly different. Slightly different. Because I zipped them. But I've forgotten to zip longest. Ay, ay, ay. Bad. Very bad. But this index idea is very nice, very neat. Hash map. A set. Ah. Okay, yes. You can use a set. Yes. That's fine. Alright, that'll be it. That'll be it. I didn't plan to do it for too long, so I think I will see you guys later today to do for tomorrow, which is important. Alright, adios.